guys, this is Beata Khoo from My Sweet Passion Cakes in Brighton. I would like to show you today how I make my ganache. So this is milk chocolate, so 600 grams of milk chocolate, and I use 300 ml double cream with it. I've put in a food processor to just make it smaller pieces. I'm boiling the cream. As you can see it's not completely boiled, it just bubbles around it. When that happens, I'm ready to pour the double cream over the chocolate, milk chocolate. It's quite hot, so what I like to do, I leave it for a little while, 30 seconds, something like that, and start shaking a little bit. So it's very fast process. After, about 30 seconds of shaking, I start stirring extremely slow at first, then a little bit faster until it all comes together. So it's all together, mixed nicely. The next process, what I do, it's the last one, I'm using hand blender. So that's the blender I'm using. And gently, I don't have it on top, I mix it right in the bottom so I don't get some of the air bubbles. And it basically takes about 30 seconds and you have perfect ganache. When it's all nicely blended, smooth, I leave it overnight. Normally I do it at evening to use it in the morning. And in the morning, just reheat it in microwave 10 seconds each time, mix it, and you've got it perfect. So as you can see, it doesn't take very long to do ganache. It's very quick process and certainly delicious for your lovely cakes. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys.